Hey, what's up, Sam here. Welcome to our yet another electric scooter unboxing. This time we have the Eleglide Coozy. Coozy. Yeah, it's very cozy. Without further ado, let's get unboxed. So obviously, we have a manual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 languages, some screws, a charger. This all we got from the box. Let's assemble it. Alright, that's it. That's the assembly, just the screws, 4 screws on the stem and nothing else. Alright, that's the unboxing. 3 things I really love about this Eleglide Coozy. First is it's easy to assemble. From unboxing to fully assemble, it took me 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes, that's it, nothing more. I didn't even go through the manual. Good. Second is its portability. It has a really good, easy folding mechanism. And it's not very heavy, so you can just carry it around and have fun. I think it's perfect for your daily commute. Third, it's right quality. It offers a crystal clear LCD display. Short press the button to switch on. Double press the button to switch on off the lights. Single press to shift among 3 modes: Eco, D, and Sports mode. A long press the button to switch off. It shows you the speed, your current speed, odometer, your current mode, and the battery indicator. And that's it. Pneumatic tires, dual shock absorption fork, and it even has an app. But for sure, if you want to learn more about its riding experience, please stay tuned for my later detailed review. I'm Sammy. I will see you in the next one.